Every 4 months, you should be changing the wax guard, the small white piece, which is under the dome. The dome is the round plastic piece. Sometimes it is difficult to change the dome. You pull off the old dome, okay, and you put on a fresh dome. You will see inside the dome there's a small encasement. You take the hearing aid and you stick it inside the encasement, just like that. If you have a tremor, if your hands tremble, this could be difficult. You may want to ask someone else to help you do this. If the dome is not on securely, it is possible that it will come out inside your ear canal. Do not panic. It's strictly a piece of plastic. It can stay in there for 6 months. Just go to your local urgent care, call our office, ask your internist. Sometimes your spouse can take it out, or your partner can take it out with a tweezer. There is no reason to panic. It happens all the time. Just make sure it's on securely.